I'm Kelly. Welcome to my channel, Homemade Taste in a Tiny Space. Today we'll be making pineapple coconut banana bread, and I'll be right back with all the ingredients pre-measured. 1 cup of coconut oil, 2 cups of sugar, stir, 5 1/2 ounces of crushed pineapple with juices, 4 eggs, 1 ripe mashed banana. I'll mix this up. Add 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of shredded coconut flakes. We have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And we'll give this a mix. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and get out my blender to mix this well. Okay, we're back. I have my mixer ready. I'm just gonna scrape down the sides a bit here. And we're probably gonna have to do that again. So we'll start off on a low speed. And now we're on high speed. I'm just going to turn this off again and scrape down my sides. Okay, that's looking good. So we'll give it another mix on high speed. Looks good to me. I'll just clean up here a bit and get ready to put these in our bread pans. As you can see, I've already prepped my 9 by 5 bread pans. I've greased them and floured them. And if you need to, you can just tap them down to get the excess flour off and dump it into your sink. I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and we're gonna go ahead and pour our batter into our loaf pans. And I'm gonna do one at a time. Try to get the batter in there evenly as you can. I'm just going to set these two next to each other to kind of compare. Looks like this one needs a little bit more. Sorry guys, I have a tiny kitchen, so it's hard to work in this space. Making a mess, but this will be easier to get the rest of the batter out of the dish, or the bowl I should say. And just put a little bit. They look pretty even to me. Okay, they look pretty good. So now we're going to just put them into the oven for 60 minutes, and halfway through we'll rotate our pans. We're going to be checking our bread. It's been 50 minutes, and I'm just going to check it because every oven is different and our bread could be done. Oh wow, yeah, it looks done. So I'm going to take a loaf out. Oh yeah, these look done. But you never know, the middle might not be cooked. So I got my wooden skewer here, and I'm just gonna put it down the middle. Whoops, wrong end. Oh, no, it needs more time. I'm gonna check this one too. Oh, that one's done. So we're gonna put this loaf back in there for approximately 5 more minutes. Okay, our timers went off, so we're gonna check our bread again. So we'll poke it again. Oh yeah, definitely done. I recommend letting the bread sit for 24 hours for the flavors to really soak in. I have to say, this is my favorite bread. I hope you like it, and I hope you try it. It's very delicious.